guys, it's Amy from Nail Polish Baby 90 and welcome to today's video. Today we are here with Manny and Lola for February. I haven't filmed in about 2 weeks, so if I am a bit rusty, that's why. But we're here to unbox and review Manny and Lola for February. So yeah, let's get into it. It is the same sort of setup as before with the drawer system, which I really enjoy. I think we've kept, my husband is a big storage person and these make great storage boxes because they are so sturdy. So we have the same as normal, except this was a kind of Valentine's Day theme to it. There was a few little hearts sprinkled in the box, and there was also some love hearts, I believe, some of the sweets, just as a nice extra Valentine's Day touch. This box, obviously, there's never a theme, but I guess we kind of go by new months. So February does have Valentine's Day in, so there's kind of like a loose Valentine's Day theme to these. There we have some reds and some pinks and stuff. So yeah, let's get going. If you've seen any of these before, it's always in like a step-by-step guide. So step 1 for this month is another manicure product, and this is the Manny and Lola Super Shiner. So this is a shining buffing nail file. Let's see what it says. This is a priming tool that enables you to maintain a glass-like finish to the surface of your nail. Lightly sweep over the surface of your nail backwards and forwards to achieve a glossy sheen. So this is obviously saying a prep item before putting your nail polish on. So that one is item 1, and they are saying that this retails for £3. We then have a ton of polish. We have 4 polishes in this month, which is great to see. Colour that they are Lumberlink. Product number 2 is a product by Maggie Ann. I have used Maggie Ann before. I believe that the only other bottle that I got was from Me Box, and that was just a straight up black cream. So I don't have a huge experience with the brand. These retail for £10.50. I did go on the website last night. That is what they are all up for, every single polish. The hollows aren't more expensive than the regulars. I should have said that this is a holographic pink and its name is Eileen, or Aileen, I always get confused how you're meant to pronounce that. But it's just a holographic pink. Every polish on the website is £10.50, and they all seem to, I guess, have a Zoya aspect where they all have a woman's name to it. So I do think that is a great like setup for nail polish names, because you can always buy them for people that you know with that name. This was a hollow, which is nice to see. You don't see a ton of non-indies doing hollows or doing hollows really well. This did get completely opaque in 2, and it was just a really nice light pink, maybe one dash of purple in there, purpley pink hollow. But overall I was really impressed with this, and it was a really beautiful polish. This is Eileen by Maggie Ann, and that was opaque in 2. Item number 3 in this month's box was a Nails ink polish, and I don't have a ton of experience with the new Nails ink in this super wide large bottles with the almost like magnetic caps to them. I don't have a huge experience with them. I only have one other in this setup. All the ones that I used to have before, I think I have de-stashed. So this is, I kind of guess, a new-ish brand because I haven't tried them since they've revamped. So they are saying that these retail for £15. There are huge bottles for that. Does it say what you get? Up 14ml. Maybe they just look bigger than that. There must be some sort of optical illusion going on there. And this is called Mermaid Parade. Did I say they retail for £15? I did. So this is called Mermaid Parade. And when I saw this, I was like, oh no, not another super like unicorn pea mermaid looking polish that's going to be super sheer. I'm over it. But this was really nice and opaque, and in 3 coats I could happily say it was opaque. You do get this just crazy duo. Let me take the cap off because that's throwing off the camera. This crazy duo where it's almost like a light blue, but then you have the flash of green, you have the flash of pink and purple and a bit of yellow. I did overall really enjoy this, and it was a nice surprise to see something opaque and in this sort of finish. So mine was opaque in 3, and this is Mermaid Parade by Nails Ink. Number 5 was an Essie Gel Couture, and this is my first Essie Gel Couture polish. If you don't know what these are, they're kind of similar to the OPI Infinite Shine, but I think maybe Gel Couture might have come out first, where they're meant to be almost gel-like polishes. They come with a specific top coat, and they are meant to last you a long period of time. Does it say this on here? No, it just says, so this is called Rock the Runway. Should have said that. And it's obviously a bright red with maybe 1 or 2 drops of orange in there. So they're saying, yeah, this is a long wear results with a 2-step system. So they're saying obviously this gets completely opaque in 2, and then you can wear it with the specific top coat if you wish, or you could wear it with a regular top coat. I've never So this is my first one, so if you guys are particularly interested in seeing a wear test on how long this lasts, like I have done with Infinite Shine, it is something I could do in the future. Right now I don't think I have the time to wear one polish for a week, but if you guys are really interested, I will put that forward for more like the summer months, and I'll grab a few more shades in this line. But overall this one was nice, like I say, nice bright colour, nice cream formula, opaque in 2. This one was Rock the Runway by Essie Gel Couture. Step 3 is an OPI polish, and this is, I believe, my first or second OPI polish with the new OPI packaging on it, which I'm still kind of getting used to a little bit. And when I looked at the name of this polish, I was like, why don't I recognise that polish? And the reason is because it's from the brand new Lisbon collection, which is amazing to get a polish from a collection that's literally just released maybe 1 or 2 weeks ago over here in the UK. And this one here is called Made It to the 7th Hill. And when I saw this, I was kind of like, because I just thought it was just like a coppery bronzy colour. But this has this really interesting pink shimmer shift to it, which does make it something different, something new, and something that I don't have before. It was a little sheer, it took 3 coats to be completely opaque, but I am really happy with it, and I do want to pick up more from this Lisbon collection. So they're saying the full price for OPI was £12.50. Oh, and the full price for the Gel Couture is £11. So this is 3 coats of Made It to 7th Hill by OPI. Step 6 is, of course, that Gel Couture top coat, and this also retails for £11. So this is the one they're saying that you need to put on over the top to give it the long wear component with the 2 together. I don't think that you're meant to get long wear from this without this. And another point to say, I love these bottles. Look how swirly-whirly they are, but they're actually just square. So when you put them in your helmet, they are square on the bottom, so they should store quite easily. So that other one there was the top coat for the Gel Couture. Step 7 is a nail polish remover, quite a large size, and this is the Nail Polish Remover 2 Acetone Free by Salon System, and this retails for £5 and it is 125ml. So a nice item to have. You're definitely going to get use out of this because it's something that most nail polish wearers will go through quite regularly. So that was the 7th item. So here I am going to say it all again, the same as last month and the month before and the month before. This is amazing value for money. If we does it even, sometimes they total it up for you, know. So if we look at it, that the Maggie Ann was 10, Nails Inc with 15, Lisbon was 12, Essie was 12, Essie was 12. We are getting easily miles over the top of the £20 plus shipping fee that we have for these. So again, value for money is outstanding, and this is actually the first month where I don't have any of the polishes already, which is not Manny and Lola's fault. They don't know who's got what in their collection, but I just wanted to say that this month is the first month I haven't already had anything, which makes me even more excited about it. So definitely keeping on subscribing, definitely excited to see what March and April are going to bring, because I'm feeling like it's going to be some spring pastels, which I'm getting really ready for. So the link for Manny and Lola will be down below for you. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, let me know what you think of this month's box, and I will see you soon.